mga kuys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. It's Yuki na naman. Nga pala to, back at it again with another video. What? Wala na po taligo. Ano na tawag vlog nga wala paligo. So welcome back again sa panibagong vlog na naman mga kuys, no? So ngayon, nag-post ko, nag-my day ko about Paul, no? Kung mag-react ba ko atong video ni Lexi Lore nga nagkaon og oat. So ang inyong vote is mga maniac. So it means magre-react na tayo. So karon no, aha nato ni sugdan no. Trivia sa gamay no. Magre-react karon. Kaya si Lexi Lore is kilala mo siguro mo na. So dili natin maingon kung kinsa na si Lexi Lore. Pero na siya live stream nga ni viral ka jud, no? Ambot kinsa mga Pinoy nga nag-request ani sa yaha no. Nga mukhaon na siya utin. Si Lexi Lore pod ni kaon pod. Pero ambot kung tan-aw na to ang iyahang video then mag-react ta. So, sabigulat ninyo. Kung wala pa mo ka-subscribe, pag-subscribe na mo, aron di mo mabuang pareha na ako, ha? Sige na, pag-subscribe na mo please. Kaya para daghan pa tag good vibes nga i-share. Bahalag mo na tag buang din no. So, let's go. Woo! Busog. Don't forget to drink your coffee. Drink your coffee. So here we go guys, mag-react na tayo din at padugay-dugay ta. Kay kapilan ako naging sa inyo basta padugay-dugay ta, maunhan ta, sakit ng maunhan ta. Alright, let's go!
Guys, guess what I'm doing today? I recently figured out this new word. It's OTEN. O-T-E-N.
What? New word? New word? New word?
And lots of you guys have been telling me about it, so I decided.
Kabulo ka, unsay napansin na mo? Ikaw, kabulo ko na kayo napansin sa yahan. No? Nitambok siya. Sana all nambok. And, nidako yung apping. Alright, padayon tagtanaw na.
What the hell? Let me figure this out, figure out what it's all about, and yeah, so today I'm gonna be eating OTEN.
Tonight, we're gonna be eating OTEN. Sure ba mo nga wala ni siya idea unsa niya ginubuhat dre? By the way, nice hair. You look like a person. Unsa daw? Padayon to no?
A Filipino food. Apparently, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, like this big, juicy, hot, spicy sausage, and I'm going to be creating my own vegan version of OTEN today.
Juicy. Vegan.
And do you like my pink hair if you haven't seen it yet?
Yes, I like your pink hair. It looks like a hair with a color pink on it. Am I right? Alright.
I can't wait to eat OTEN.
Jengingon, I can't wait to eat OTEN. You do not realize you're eating OTEN your life. Pero amot lang na ka na siya idea unsa yung ginaingon diri nga OTEN, or maybe Google na guro niya no. I can't wait to eat OTEN. Woo! Filipinos reaction be like. Right.
Oh my gosh, I've never tried it before.
What? It's bouncing. It's bouncing. Tumataba na talaga si Lexi Lore.
Super excited. I love trying new vegan foods. Nope, it's not in here. Guys, I didn't plan for this properly. I'm trying to eat some oaten. I'm hungry right now.
I'm trying to eat some oaten. I'm hungry right now. What the Woo! Grabe na siguro katawa sa mga Pinoy karon no. Labi na mga Bisaya. Alright, Lexi Lore, don't mind me. Just eat oaten. That's good. That's good for your health. It's full of nutrients, carbohydrates, and ginkgo biloba E with vitamin C2 plus B equals AX squared plus BX plus C. What?
Ready to see me eat some oaten?
Yes! Yes, I'm ready! Woo! I'm ready! Basig kayo mga manyak. Hindi ko manyak ko. I'm just reacting to this video. It's called overreacting to the video of the video.
O10? Oh, is it Oten or O10? You guys tell me in the chat.
No, it's not oten. It's utin. On is different from oten. On is, sa Tagalog ay gulay. On. Otan. Otan. Okay.
See what I'm cooking over here.
Whoa! Did you see that? That is... Never mind.
You see me eat some oily, wet, smooth Oten.
There's something in her voice. The voice is familiar. What in the heck?
You guys excited?
Why is she doing like that, huh? Why is she leaning in front of the camera, huh? She was like this, like showing her mountain of youth. Oh my god. And that voice is so... that is intriguing.
Make it nice and wet for you. It's heating up. It's getting hot in here.
Yes, it's heating up. It's getting hot in here too.
Oten.
She's playing with her tongue. Bakit ka naglalaro ng dila mo, ha? Bakit mo pinaglalaroan yung dila mo? Di mo ba alam? Di mo ba alam na may manonood dito mga bata? Bakit ka ganyan?
Yes. Oten? Is that...
Hey, my phone, can't you recognize my fucking face? Huh? Recognize my face!
Is that how you say it? Oten? How do you say it? Oten? I'm excited. I'm excited. You want to shout out? Uten is the right pronunciation. I'm gonna try Uten today. Someone said Otan, Uten. I'm gonna call it Uten, or just whatever comes out of my mouth, I guess. But soon will be warm. Oten.
What did I just... Familiar lagi to eh. Nga ano mga Lexi? You're an angel. Grabe si Lexi ba eh. So by the way guys, napa pa mga eyebags din rin, no? Bago pa mata. And I'm excited to make this video para ma-entertain ta mo guys, no? So don't forget to subscribe na, no? Yay!
It's not cooked yet, but I think it's gonna taste really good when I heat it up and get nice and warm. Warm and oily and wet. I'm gonna put it right between my buns.
Which buns? I'm gonna put right between my buns. Which buns? Dalawang buns yung nakikita ko dyan eh. Dua ka buns. Asa nga bun?
Right in here. Who wants me to eat their Oten? Type it in the chat.
Joke lang. Lexi Lore, ay gyud anhi dere sa Pilipinas. Mga Pinoy dere daghan kaayo.
What Oten was, and then you guys told me that it was a Filipino food, so I just decided, why don't I give it a try? I know it'll make you guys really happy.
Yes! It will make us happy to watch you eat some oten.
It's gonna feel so good between my buns.
It's gonna feel so good between my buns. So, meron na pala siyang idea kung ano yung oten. Parang meron.
Uh-oh.
Nanong, bakit mo sinasaktan yung Lexi Lore? Mag-ingat ka kasi Lexi Lore. Kapag nagpiprito ka, yung mga mantika, pupunta sa balat mo yan.
Sinasaktan niyo si Lexi Lore!
A little too hot. I'm cooking Oten.
Yeah, I know.
And yes, I had to get stitches in my finger. They actually put stitches in my fingernail.
Nakita ba ninyo yun? Oh, look at her finger! You know what this means? Lexi, alam ko na yan!
It hurt. Okay, I'm about to eat this fresh, hot, sizzling Oten. You guys excited? I am.
Bakit niya ginanon? Pinapakita mo ba talaga sa amin yan? Ay, nako. Lexi, YouTube to ha. Dito porn site.
Can't wait to get my first taste. Covered in sauce. Also, my boyfriend is gluten-free, so he uses like gluten-free buns, and that's what I'm trying to use, but it's like not a bun like at all.
She has boyfriend. Nasya uyab.
You can't blame veganism for this. Blame gluten-free people. Wait.
What? Ginatuyo gid niya ngayon, ano? Yan na, para na makita. Oh my God, Lexi, what the hell? Naglinog? Naglinog ba siguro? Bro, naglinog dia? Wala. Ah, wala din naglinog.
Okay, that's not me farting, that's the mustard. Thanks. Moment of truth. My first time eating oten. Uten. Oten? Oten. Uten. Whatever.
I told you, it's utin.
Let's do it. Ready, guys? Is it gonna fit in my mouth? Oh my gosh.
Really? It's gonna fit in your mouth? Oh my gosh. Ready na ba mo? Ready na ba daw mo? I can touch this!
It's so big.
I don't know how to react, man.
I love that oten. I like them big. Big and juicy. And messy.
Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa! Nahinay po ka, Lexi Lore. Di makamanghatap. Paghatap ko na namang giluto nga utin, bi. Sanay na sanay.
It's getting hot in here, yeah.
Yes, it's getting hot. It's getting hot. It's getting hot.
It's getting hot in here.
She did it again. Like this. She did it again. Oh my God, Lexi Lore. Don't tease me. Dili kumutanawa na. Dako eh.
Right?
It's not good.
Whoa, 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 there's a guy, there's a guy.
Side, and I was like, oh fuck yeah, I did it right.
It turned brown inside.
On the side, like one of the side that it was laying on, it like
yeah.
turned brown.
The way I did it last night, it actually like burnt on one side because I didn't roll it fast enough. I think. Oten.
What? He knows about Oten too.
What is this? And you Google it and you're like, damn it! No!
Don't tell them. They think I don't know.
Oh, checkmate. Kabalo na dan si Lexi Lore.
No concept.
She's so innocent.
Yes, she is so innocent. That's the good thing, bro. She's innocent. Talagsa lang ka makitag-uyab nga inosente. Eh. What the? Why are you doing like that, man? What is that? What? Oh my! Oh my God!
And I beat you up.
You beat me up. Abuse scandal. I have one, now it's your turn.
They're so sweet. So guys, no morning message ko danin no nga kanang bisan pag unsay mong pass nagi isa ka tawo nga modawat gid sa imo. So kita to na night chance mga uyab. Kamura guro. Ako way labot.
Bro, give her. Well, where is she? All I got is this pink hair. No opening. Opening.
What are you doing, step bro?
That is familiar. That's familiar, yo.
What are any of us doing?
Oh, now I know kinsa tong gaingon ato nga intro. What are you doing, step bro? Like, ikaw pala yon?
The galaxy, or something like that, or Star Wars, or Star Trek.
Make me cry.
Oh God, I can't.
You're carrying me.
Am I? I win. So in this video, we learned about aliens.
Guys, bye.
Oh,
No.
I shouldn't have been.
So that is it guys, no? So main message kita tong is bisan pag unsa gyud ang imong past, nagi isa ka tawo gyud nga modawat gyud sa imo ano, just like atong nga lalaki. So guys, sa imo ka wala ano hope no kay kita abot gyud ang tawo nga para sa to gyud. So woo! So guys, kung naabot ka diri nga part ng video, I want to say thank you for watching my video and please do subscribe. Okay, para makabot na 1K subscribers and maning kamot ta para ma-monetize ta. So guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para ikaw ang makauna ma-notify kung na ako bagong i-upload na video. So guys, thank you for watching and love you all. Let's go.